Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable developer options on Motorola Moto G10. First, open Settings on your smartphone and then scroll down to the very bottom of the Settings menu to About Phone section. Open it and find the build number. It is located in here at the bottom. Now, once you find build number, tap on it 7 times, and at some point you will have to provide your password, and you will see the you are now a developer notifications once you do. Now, to access developer options, we have to go back to Settings, and then go to System, then go to Advanced, and open Developer Options menu in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.